Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to search jobs on Indeed. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your web browser, and here on the search bar simply type in indeed.com, and once you hit enter you'll be sent to the home page of the Indeed. Now all you gotta do to search for a job is simply type in the keyword. Let me just type in data analyst, and here you can all select on which location you want to search the job for. Now I'll just select New York and then hit on search, and once you do that, a bunch of job lists will be provided to you. Select the job that is preferable for you. Let me just select this one and then click on apply now, and once you have done that, you'll be sent to the page of the following job, and here you can see the details of the job as well. And once you have done with that, all you gotta do now is click on apply now once again, and once you do that, here enter in your email address, then click on this I agree with the terms and conditions, then click on next, and then follow the process. And that's basically how you search jobs on Indeed app. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did,